Indeed, I reddened my face slightly. Summer is usually natural and typical. Electricity 14. Approximately 2 billion. 2 billion. Already a billion. Today the bill has gone to 3 billion. My heart achieved 2 billion hits. You feel every impact? Because 2 billion is far more than 200 or 2,000. Not even close to 200 million. A billion. Somehow I started to value it. No work, no stopping throughout my life. What do they say about love? It exists in the heart 2 billion times. How much more did she pump? Approximately 100 million liters. This is a million for you. Imagine a million for you, by the way. 1,000. Terror. You take it so easy, do nothing, rest. And the heart is already working 3 billion at this time. When the blow remains less and less. Well, I'm unlikely to reach 3 billion, maybe 2.5 billion. What has become of me? I feel sorry for my heart. And I had to pay the price for every jab at his work. I would probably appreciate every jab straight to the heart more. That's how it works for free on its own. I can't even control this process. It's a dialogue, sometimes forcing you to push harder, unconsciously in all things. If I could consciously not strain it needlessly, yes. You need to train and strengthen. So you can talk about the fact that you can turn it off and put it on the shelf until you use it. And it doesn't stop for 2 billion strokes. Considering it, imagine, for instance, how much sperm my body produced and released during important moments of orgasm. Other organs fare even worse. If you contemplate the various winds of tendons, lymph, and neurons, the brain is indeed frightening.